Understand what turns one's stomach to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom for today is to turn one's stomach, or to turn someone's stomach. This idiom, it was fun to research because it's actually been around. It was first recorded in 1622. I guess people have probably been getting sick to their stomach for as long as humans have existed, but it's interesting that this idiom and this expression is so old. It, of course, means to be so nauseated that our stomach turns around, and instead of consuming food and it going down into our bodies and digestive system, we actually will vomit it up. Now, each of us has a different tolerance for what does and does not turn our stomach. Some people can't stand the sight of blood. Some people can't. I'm really bad at cleaning up after the dogs and things like that. But other things will trigger that response in us. And each and every one of us, as we're building and growing and supersizing our businesses, and you're probably wondering, well, how the heck do you turn that into helping somebody grow and build their business? Well, if we can solve problems and alleviate things for the people that we're here to serve, the ideal people that we want to serve, if we can know the things that make them sick, keep them up at night, turn their stomach, give them ulcers, and we have solutions for them, that is the best, fastest, easiest way that we can build and grow and supersize our business. So what, and do you know, my question for you today is, do you know what turns your ideal customer's stomach? Do you know what keeps them up at night? Everybody asks what keeps them up at night, but I kind of like, do you know what turns their stomach? Do you know what makes them sick? Do you know what they absolutely positively cannot tolerate? And does your business in some way, shape, or form serve them by helping them with solutions to that? If you do, it's golden, and you will be able to grow and build and supersize your business, because we're here to make the world a better place by serving people that we're here to serve, by giving them solutions to problems that they have that they otherwise would struggle with. Certain things turn our stomach. I mean, have you ever watched a movie that's so violent and so gory, you're just like, this is literally making me sick to my stomach. I can't watch anymore. The news has that effect on me. News for so many decades now has been focused on the negative and every horrible thing that happens in the world. In the 1980s, I was in a training that we were challenged to turn the news off for a week. I turned it off, and I never really turned it back on. And I like to think I'm better for that. Guess what? Anything bad that happens in the world that we need to know about, we're going to hear about it some other way anyway. So we don't need to watch it and be inundated with it over and over and over again. To me, injustice, anybody that harms any other people or animals or the world or makes the world a worse place, that turns my stomach. I have zero tolerance for that. So I don't work with businesses that are that way or that have intentions that are less than honorable. We get to choose and decide that. That's the great thing about building our own business. We get to decide the people that we're going to serve, the people we're going to work with, and how we are going to help. So curious? Are you willing to share something that turns your stomach in the comments below? I already shared a couple of mine, but if you want to know what turns my stomach, just ask. Otherwise, go out, make it an awesome day, and I'll, of course, see you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to understand and serve the people that you're here to serve better? Have an awesome day. I'll be with you tomorrow.